7 things you may be able to get money for if you're hurt in a personal injury claim. Now, if you're hurt by the negligent acts of another, you're going to bring a claim against them. And when you talk to an insurance adjuster, usually they're going to say, okay, hey, what are your past medical bills? And let's look at that and try to resolve this thing. Well, there's definitely more you can look at besides just your past medical bills, even though that is number one. Number two, future medical expenses. If you're not 100% better, you might need treatment in the future, and the cost of your future medical expenses would also be considered in the evaluating the value of your case. Another thing you can consider, number three, is your lost wages. If you are out of work because you were injured, you couldn't go to work, or you had to spend a lot of time going and getting treatment, you can look at what wages you lost at your job and also consider that in the value of your case. Now, number four, future lost wages. If you're not 100% better and you're going to be missing work in the future, or you can't work at the same high level that you worked at before, your future lost wages is also something that's considered in valuing your case. Number five, pain and suffering. Everybody kind of knows what that is. If you have a very small injury and your treatment lasts a very short period of time, your claim for pain and suffering is going to be pretty small. If you have a really major injury and it takes a really long time to resolve that claim, then your pain and suffering claim is going to be generally a lot bigger. Number six, emotional distress. What the heck is emotional distress? Well, it's psychological, emotional trauma resulting from a harmful event. And number seven is disfigurement. If something really bad happens and you are disfigured, then you can get money for that. So if you're bringing a claim for personal injuries one day, don't just look at your past medical bills. There may be a lot more involved in the value of your case.